What's up guys, my name's Josh, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Tacoma and we're going to clean the rear brake assembly. On this particular truck we didn't need to replace the brake pads, so this is not an instructional video on how to do that, but it will allow you to get into the assembly and get you started. If you like what you see today, hit the like button and hit subscribe and share with your friends. Let's get started.
The first thing we need to do is raise the rear of the truck and put a jack stand underneath the axle. Now we can remove the wheel. I'm using a pneumatic tool to unlock the lug nuts. Lift up on the wheel gently and pull it straight out. Now we can see the rear brake assembly with the rear drum brake. Now we can remove the drum. This takes a metal hammer, beating on the drum a little bit. Before you do this, you need to make sure that you release your parking brake. It's extremely important that you release your parking brake before you start to remove the drum. This process can take quite a while, so just have some patience as you work the drum loose. Here we can start to see the drum come loose. Now we can use a large flathead screwdriver to start prying the drum off the wheel assembly. Use a vacuum cleaner and a screwdriver to remove all the brake dust and contaminants from the brake assembly. It's a good idea to use a face mask while doing this. Reverse the process to put everything back together and you're done.
Well, that project wasn't too hard. If you like what you saw today, hit like, hit subscribe, and share with your friends. And check out these other videos in the playlist. We'll see you next time. What's up, guys? If you like what you see today, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Well, yeah. Share with your friends and let them know about this channel. Dang it.